Good afternoon, all. Once again, good afternoon. Okay.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. So we complete the number up to 50. Okay. Now we are not continuing from 51 onwards. Now you know how to draw bundles of tens and ones now. Now you know how to draw bundles of tens and ones. Yes or no?
Yes.
If I give the number, we will draw the bundles of tens and ones.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay, good. So today we are going to write the exercise. Okay, do the exercise which is related to bundles of tens and ones. Okay, we will. I will give the number, and you have to draw how many tens and
Good afternoon, ma'am.
how many bundles of tens and how many bundles of ones. Okay,
Good afternoon, ma'am.
and ones. Okay, so those who join late, I am telling once again. See, today we are going to do the exercises which is related to tens and ones. So we completed the number up to 50, and now we are doing how to draw bundles of tens and ones for the given number. Okay, now what about 50? How many bundles of tens we have to draw for the number 50?
5,
5 tens. Very good. 5 tens and 0 ones. 5 tens and 0 ones. Okay, now let me take the board. Okay, let me take the board. Listen to ma'am. Okay, no need to write now. Listen to ma'am. First you will understand, then we will write in the rough book. Okay. The board will come in front of you. Okay. So today we are going to write. Today we are going to do the exercise. What is the exercise? We are drawing bundles of tens and ones for the following numbers, for the given numbers. Okay. For the given numbers, we are going to draw bundles of tens and ones. Okay. Now the first number I am giving 58. No need to write now. Okay. All of you listen to me. The number is 58. The number is 58. Rihan Hanifa. Sorry, Rihan Muhammad Rishan. Muhammad Rishan, no need to write now. Listen to ma'am. Put your pencil down. Put your pencil down, Rishan. Okay. I gave the number 58. You have to see how many tens and ones in the number 58. Rishan, where are you? Okay. Number 58. How many tens and how many ones?
5. One's place is 5. 5.
Others be quiet. Okay, let me ask Muhammad Rishan. Okay. Muhammad Rishan, please unmute.
5.
How many bundles of tens? 58.
5.
We have
5.
5 tens
One.
and
5 tens.
5 tens and remaining.
8 ones.
Very good. 8 ones. Okay. So 58 means there are 5 tens and 8 ones. Okay. Now let us see bundles of tens and ones.
Ma'am?
Yes. Who is calling?
5.
See, the number is 58. Okay. We have to draw the bundles of tens and ones. Okay. So first we are finding how many tens are there and how many ones are there. So we know 58 having 5 tens and 8 ones. Okay. Now let us draw the bundles of tens and ones. Okay. So 5 bundles of tens. Okay. 5 bundles of tens. 5 bundles of tens. Okay, now we draw 5 bundles of tens. Now 8 ones. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now 5 bundles of tens and 8 ones. Okay. Is it clear to you? Shall we move to the next number? Next I am giving 60. Okay. Next I am giving 60. Okay, Srutakirti, unmute. Okay, it's already
Yes,
unmuted.
ma'am.
Okay, Srutakirti, how many tens and ones in 60? The number 60. Ah, very good. 6 tens and what about ones? Ah, 6 tens and 6 tens and
6, 10, and
ah.
0, 1.
Very good, very good. So we have 60. So we know there are 6 tens, okay? 6 tens and 0 ones.
3, 4, 1, 2, 3,
So we have to draw how many bundles of tens?
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1.
How many bundles of tens? Ah, 6 bundles of tens. Then what about the ones? Is there any ones? No, there is no ones. It's 0 there. So nothing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. So we have 6 tens and 0 ones. Okay. It's clear for you? Clear? Okay. Let me give you next number.
Yes.
Okay. Next number is 77. Marin, please switch on the video. Please switch on the video.
Right.
No. Wait there. I will give time to write. Okay. I will give time to write. And we have the third question, 77. Okay. Marin, how many tens and how many ones? The number 77.
7 tens and 7 ones.
Very good, very good. Quick answer. Okay, good. So we have 7 tens and 7 ones. 7 tens and 7 ones. So we have to draw 7 bundles of tens.
2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1,
7 bundles of tens.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4.
7 bundles of tens. 1,
2, 3,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 സമയത്തുള്ളൂ ഇനി ഇതുപോലെ എത്ര എണ്ണം പഠിക്കണം 2, 3, 1, 2, 1.
7 bundles of tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 tens and 7 tens and 7 ones. The number is 77. Okay? Is it clear? Is it clear for you all? Yes. Maithili, the next number 85. Tell me how many tens and how many ones? Next one is
8 tens and 5 ones.
very good. We have next number, fourth one, it is 85. So we have to draw 8 tens and 5 ones. So 8 tens and 5 ones.
Ma'am, I am first standard.
8 tens and 5 ones. So we have 8
Ma'am,
tens.
I am first standard.
Who is still in first standard A? Now B having the class. Tell me your name. Tell me your name.
New.
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 8 bundles of tens and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 tens and 5 ones. Okay? 8 tens and 5 ones. Now we are moving to the last number. Let us see the last number. Okay, 99. Manav, 99. How many tens and how many ones?
9.
Ah, 9 tens and 9 ones. Very good. 9 tens and 9 ones. So we have 99. So we can see there are 9 tens and 9 ones. Okay. The number is 99. The number is 99. Okay. We have the number 99. Fifth one, it is 99. So we have to write 9 tens and 9 ones. 9 tens and 9 ones. What is special about this 99? Can you say? What is special about the 99? It is the biggest, biggest two-digit number. Okay? Biggest two-digit number. And what about the smallest two-digit number? Can you say which is the smallest two-digit number? 10. Very good. We have 10 two-digit number. 99 is the biggest two-digit number. Okay. So the number 99 we have 9 tens and 9 ones. So we have 9 bundles of tens. Okay. 9 bundles of tens. 9 bundles of tens. Nine bundles of tens and 9 ones. Now let us see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now one more. There is no place there, then we can go to the next line. Okay. So 9, then 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Is it clear for you? Is it clear? Okay. So all of you please take a rough book and pencil. 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 All of you please take a rough book and pencil. Okay. Take a rough book and pencil. Siddharth, did you take a rough book and pencil? Take a rough book and pencil.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm going to share the screen. Okay. Let me rub it and we can write together. Okay. We can write together. Okay. So are you ready? So now you can write D-R-A-W. What's the word? D-R-A-W. What is the word? D-R-A-W.
Draw.
Draw. Very good. You have to draw. Draw bundles. B-U-N-D-L-S. Please write. Yes. Please write. Rough book. You can use the rough book. You can use the rough book. Okay. And at evening, you can write in the max notebook.
99. Ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Let me check. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes. I didn't hear. See, we are writing in the rough book. No, you can continue in the rough book. No problem. You are writing in the rough book. No, you can continue in the rough book. If you want to write in the max, you can write in the beginning. Let's write first in the rough book. Okay. Draw bundles. D-R-A-W. Draw bundles. B-U-N-D-L-E-S. Bundles. So, bundles. B-U-N-D-L-E-S. Bundles of. O-F. B-U-N-D-L-E-S. Bundle of. O-F. O-F. Draw bundles of what? Can you say what is the next word?
അധികം ചെറുതാക്കാൻ പറ്റൂലേ നിനക്ക്? അധികം ചെറുതാക്കി.
Draw bundles of tens and one. Okay, draw bundles of tens. T-N-S, tens. N-G and N-E-S, ones. Take time and write. Take time and write. Okay, draw bundles of tens and ones. Draw bundles of tens and ones. What happened, Mayuk?
Ma'am, I am writing.
You are writing?
Yes.
Yeah. You are helping your sister, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Now you are a teacher for your sister, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So draw bundles of tens and ones. Okay, this much is finished. Shall we move to the next word?
Yes.
Four. F-O-R. Four. Draw bundles of tens and ones for the F-O-R. Four. This board is going. Draw bundles of tens and ones for the given numbers. G-I-V-E-N. Given numbers. Draw bundles of tens and ones for the given numbers. Aditya, you completed the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So we have the first number, okay? And the first number is 58. 58. 58. Okay, we have the number 58. So we can write 58 is equal to 5 tens and 8 ones. 58 is equal to 5 tens and 8 ones. $58 is equal to 5 tens and 8 ones. Megadarsh, now you draw the bundles of tens, okay? Yes.
I finished.
Very good. Now you draw it. How many bundles we have?
Yes.
How many bundles we have to draw?
5 bundles.
Ah, very good. We have to draw 5 bundles. 5 bundles. Okay.
എന്തൊക്കെ കുറച്ച് ഊന്നിയിരിക്കണേ സെക്കൻഡ് വൺ
1, 2, 3, 4.
എത്ര മണ്ണെടുക്കണം വെച്ചോ ചെറുതായി വരച്ചാൽ കൊള്ളുള്ളൂ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ താഴേക്ക്
Okay. Then we have 8 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 tens and 8 ones. 5 tens and 8 ones. 5 tens and 8 ones. Five tens and 8 ones. So we have 5 tens and 8 ones for the number. Mohammad Rashan, what happened? You are writing or you completed? Yes.
Now you finish.
Very good. So shall we move to the next number?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we move to the next number?
Yes, ma'am.
So we have the next number 60. Okay. We have the next. The second one we have 60. 60. 60, 60. Malavika, how many tens are there in 60?
6 tens and 0 ones.
Very good. So we have 60 is equal to 6 tens and 0 ones. So we have to draw 6 bundles of tens. 6 bundles of tens.
Ma'am, Anna finished writing.
Very good.
Ma'am, Anna finished writing.
Anna completed writing. Okay. So 6 bundles of 10. One, two, three, four, five.
Ma'am, already completed.
Very good. So we have 6 bundles of 10. So shall we move to the next number? Are you ready?
No.
Okay. Some are not ready, so we will wait for them. So 60 having 6 bundles of 10.
Okay, ma'am.
So the next one is 77. Next one we have 77. So 77 is equal to 7 tens and
7 ones.
ones.
7 tens and 7 ones.
Very good. So we can draw 7 bundles of 10 and 7 ones.
Cancel it.
Mayuga, come back to first standard, no? So we have next one 77 having 7 tens and 7 ones. So we have to draw 7 bundles of tens. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, and we have 7. And 7 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 tens and 7 ones.
7 tens and 7 ones.
Very good. Sandres, you completed the number 77? Okay. Please unmute.
Ma'am, I completed.
Very good. Sandria, please unmute. So good. Enough. Okay. And we have the next number 85. So how many tens and how many ones? 85. Sandria, tell me the answer. 85. How many tens and how many ones? How many tens and how many ones? The number is 85. Eight and 5. Okay, so 8 tens. Yes, Andrea? 8 tens.
And 5 ones.
And 5 ones. Sandra, tell me 8 tens.
5 ones.
Very good. 8 tens and 5 ones. So we have the next number. We have the next number 85. Okay. We have the number 85. So 85 is equal to 8 tens and 5 ones. 8 tens and 5 ones. 8 tens and 5 ones. So we have to draw 8 bundles of 10 and 5 ones. So 1. If you don't have space, you can go to the next line. Okay. So 8 bundles of 10. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Eight tens and 5 ones. Eight tens and 5 ones.
Ma'am, I'm completed.
Very good, very good. Let others complete it.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Mayuka completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Siddharth, what about Siddharth? Yes. Please unmute. Shall we move to the next number?
Yes, ma'am.
So we can move to the next number, and the next number is 99. Okay, the next number is 99. And we have the fifth one having 99. Siddharth, how many tens and how many ones in 99? Siddharth?
10 tens and 9 ones. 9 tens and 9 ones.
9 tens and 9 ones. 9 tens and 9 ones. So we have 99 is equal to 9 tens and 9 ones.
നീറ്റായിട്ട് എഴുതി കൊടുക്കണ്ടാണ്
അവിടെയല്ലേ വന്നിട്ട്
So we have to draw 9 bundles of 10.
എന്താ വേണമെന്നല്ല
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, two, three, four, five, 6. 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 tens and 9 ones.
Yes, ma'am.
9 tens and 9 ones.
5 ones and 5. Completed.
Good, good. So, thank you. By this, I am winding up today's session. Okay. Thank you all.
Bye. 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 Bye.